Hey, welcome to Encyclopedia. We came from STI Nova STEM 101. Meet our cast. Today, we're going to discuss about biomolecules. The four biomolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acid. Let's talk about carbohydrates. You need to know about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the main types of nutrients. They are the most important source of energy for your body. Your digestive system changes carbohydrate into glucose, blood sugar. Your body uses this sugar for energy for your cells. Carbohydrates are the most abundant biomolecules on Earth. Living organisms use carbohydrates as accessible energy to fuel cellular reactions and for structural support inside cell walls. Cell-attached carbohydrates molecules to protein and lipids modify structure to enhance functionality. Carbohydrates are one of the main types of nutrients. They are the most important source of energy for your body. Lipids. Now we're going to lipids. Source of lipids: butter, chocolate, and many more. Lipids give you insulation, storage, and building material. Lipids are important constituent of the diet because they are a source of high energy. Proteins, biomolecules. Proteins are the most versatile macromolecules in living system and serve critical functions in essentially all biological processes. They function as catalysts. They transport and store and other molecules such as oxygen. They provide mechanical support and immune protection. Function: antibody, messenger, enzyme, transport, storage. Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are essential large biological molecules for all forms of life. The nucleic acid include the DNA and the RNA. They are the hereditary determinants of living organisms. They are present in most living cells, either in free state or bound to proteins or nuclear proteins. What is the function of nucleic acid? Another important characteristic of nucleic acid is their ability to carry information from genes in the cell nucleus to certain structures in cytoplasm that direct major biochemical processes. For example, the building of proteins is controlled by the group of nucleic acid, known in general as ribonucleic acid, RNA. The structures and functions. The main function of nucleic acid are listed below. Nucleic acid are the genetic material for all living cells. It is involved in the storage and transfer of genetic material from one generation to the next. The genetic material of all cells in a living organism is the same and has all information required for making an identical organism. Thanks for watching!
Created using Powtoon.